In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay employees in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll be comfortable running payroll from start to finish, and you'll know exactly what to check so everything goes out accurately and on time. First, open QuickBooks and sign in to your company. From the main dashboard, look to the left menu and head into Payroll. This is your central place for everything related to your team's pay. If you're new to the payroll area, take a quick glance at the top to ensure your payroll subscription is active and that your company's bank account is connected, so funds can be sent on schedule. Next, choose the option to run payroll for your employees. This opens the Pay Run screen. Think of this page as your checklist: the pay date, the pay period, and who is being paid this cycle. At the top, confirm the pay date, the day your employees will receive their pay, and set the correct pay period to match your schedule, like weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. If you pay only certain employees this time, uncheck anyone who shouldn't be included. Now fill in the required details for each person. For hourly team members, enter regular hours, overtime, and any sick or vacation time that applies. For salaried employees, QuickBooks will usually calculate the amount automatically. Add exceptions such as bonuses, commissions, or reimbursements if needed. You'll see taxes, benefits, and other deductions calculate automatically based on each employee's setup. If something doesn't look right, pause and verify their profile settings before proceeding. Take a moment to review the totals. QuickBooks shows gross pay, taxes, deductions, and net pay for each employee, along with the overall payroll cost. This is a great time to compare against your timesheets or prior runs to catch any surprises. If your team is on direct deposit, confirm you're running payroll before the funding cutoff, so money arrives on the pay date. If you issue paper checks, make sure your check stock and printer settings are ready. When everything looks good, submit the payroll. You'll get a confirmation screen that indicates your payroll has been processed. Save or export the payroll summary for your records and distribute pay stubs to employees through your usual method. That's it. You went to QuickBooks, opened payroll, started a run, selected the pay period, filled in the required details, and submitted. If you spot an error before submission, adjust it right on the screen. After submission, follow QuickBooks' guidance for corrections or reach out to support if needed. With these steps, you can run payroll confidently and keep your team paid accurately and on time.